Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis, and this is for today, Wednesday through Friday, July 15 to 17, 2020, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. And we begin with our update. Here's the graph set beginning today, July 15, Wednesday, through Thursday, tomorrow, July 16. We are seeing the remnants of ex-tropical depression Karina moving along the eastern shorelines of Taiwan, and is expected to be absorbed by a passing stationary front, which is now over the East China Sea. And as you can see here, the exposed or displaced rain bands is located to the southwest of it, and we have a slight weak habagat or southwesterly surface wind flow having some breeze conditions and some choppy seas over the areas of the Batanes, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain sunny to cloudy with some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly across the Bicol region, most parts of the Visayas and Mindanao, and this is likely to be experienced within the next 12 to 24 hours due to an approaching surface trough. This is an array of localized thunderstorms scattered with some lightning, lots of cumulonimbus clouds that is expected to pass over these areas that I mentioned. So this was once a weak LPA over the western portions of Micronesia, and it weakened as it moves along the southeasterly surface trade winds. So expect some rainy conditions for the next 12 to 24 hours across these areas of the Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao. And outside of PAR, we have another surface trough. This was also the once a low pressure area 2 days ago, and it's embedded along the western periphery of the active intertropical convergence zone. So far, we don't have any developing LPA or potential tropical cyclone that will form within the next 5 to 10 days based on the latest typhoon global models. And watch out for flash floods and landslides over the areas affected by this heavy rainfall brought about by the surface trough within the next 12 to 24 hours. And as we look at our fast animation, there you go, you could see the surface trough, the array of thunderstorms moving now across the Visayas, Mindanao, and the Bicol region. So for the next 12 to 24 hours, expect some cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. As we look at our zoom-in satellite animation from UMEDSAT, go to windy.com. You can see here our satellite animation for the past 6 hours. There you go, the approaching surface trough now moving towards the Visayas, Mindanao, and the eastern sections of the Bicol region. So overnight, we could experience some rain showers and thunderstorms across these areas until tomorrow morning or in the afternoon. Still, there will be some thunderstorms that will expected to pass along these areas. And right here across Luzon, particularly the western sections, that's the area of Ilocos region. There are lots of localized thunderstorms due to local heating, convection, and also that includes metropolitan Manila, portions of the southern Tagalog provinces, western Mindoro, and also here across western Visayas and isolated areas of Palawan. So there you go. That's the latest with a look of the infrared. So you can see those maroon dark clouds. Those are the head or the deepest part of the localized thunderstorms. Now let's move towards our 2-day rainfall and wind forecast from ECMWF from the windy.com website. And as you can see here, 4 p.m. tomorrow, Thursday, there's still some chances of isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms in most parts of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. As you can see, the approaching surface trough will further enhance these thunderstorms. And when we reach Friday afternoon around 4 p.m. again, here comes some severe thunderstorms affecting the western half of Luzon from Metro Manila, Southern Tagalog, or up to the Ilocos provinces. So Don't forget to bring your umbrellas tomorrow afternoon as well as Friday afternoon. And some small chances of thunderstorms across the Bicol region, moderate chances across Visayas as well as Mindanao. And we have another trade wind convergence with some thunderstorms moving across the central Philippine Sea into the coastal areas of eastern Visayas. And before we leave you, here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. As you can see, still lots of localized thunderstorms, isolated ones across the Philippine Islands. And as we look at our latest global tropics hazard and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, Week 1, this is valid for July 15 to July 21. This is the once tropical depression Karina, and it's no longer a cyclone, just a low pressure area. But yesterday they placed it as moderate chance of becoming a tropical cyclone, but it only developed very briefly for 12 hours and it dissipated. And furthermore, there's no development until July 21, and we have another one here over the Eastern Pacific, not part of our basin. Now on week 2, let's move towards the week 2. Between July 22 to July 28, still all clear across the Western Pacific, the Philippine Sea, and the South China Sea. And we have some increasing rainfall, above average rainfall, which is still at moderate chance. Okay, for week 2, these are the areas of Indonesia and Malaysia, but so far it's been quiet all the way across the Western Pacific and the Philippine Sea for the past 2 to 3 weeks, except for that weaker system that developed as Karina. So there you go. That's the latest from our weather TV update of Typhoon2000.com, the tropical weather analysis, and we will be returning again on Friday to give you more weather TV update. From Typhoon2000.com, this has been Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you for watching our weather channel.